Hello everyone, hope you're all having a good day. Another vlog today to answer one of your questions about the hair system. Today's question is, how easy did I find the hair system to self-maintain and what advice do I give? So, before I got my hair system, I was thinking exactly the same. Would it be easy to maintain it myself, or do I need to see Phil, the hair man, every couple of weeks to do all the maintenance for me? So, here is what I did. I bought two hair system. What I was doing, I was taping one, taking off one, and just soak it, get it ready, put the other one on. And I found it so easy to do that. However, Phil, the hair man, he was very, very kind with me. He used to come to my place when I first got my hair system to show me how do I take it off, how do I put it on. So basically, he taught me every single thing. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do another video to show you how to take off the hair system, clean it, put another one using the advice I just gave in under 10-15 minutes. If you have any question, send me an email on the email down below, leave some comments, and I'll see you soon. Have a good day.